My vision in this restaurant is like a kind of fast food gourmet restaurant. You know, we really take a pride with our fish and chips. We use like jumbo crab for our crab cake. Our popularity is for the lobster bisque. So what I try to achieve is to give people affordable food, a very high scale food for affordable price. So we prefer to keep like an authentic Italian food, and so I just import two excellent Italian chefs.
I'm Maurizio, I come from Italy, Sicily, and this is the first time I come in the United States of America.
Hi, my name is Gianluca, and I hope to have some good experience in USA because it's the first time as well for me.
That is a proof like we are serious chef because we eat our own food, so that's why what can I say? I don't have a menu, I am the menu. I can cook anything they desire, but my specialty is fish. We don't cook, we have fun, and this fun is going to come out an incredible creation for people. So we don't work hard, we work fun, so that's why our food is better.